हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा है, बताना है आपको कुछ भी हो हाँ 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 बस बस बस।
Hello guys, myself Dr. Shruti, founder of ASO Spine Clinic, and I have a very interesting case to share with you guys. This is me performing dry needling over a patient, and as you can see, he is shouting like hell. And you must be wondering that why I am continuing this dry needling therapy if that's so painful to him. But कई बार as doctors हमें patients के benefit के लिए उनके pain tolerance level को push करना पड़ता है to perform certain treatment procedures. Follow for part 2 to know more about this case and our treatment procedure.